Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Vida Tote from Dagne Dover. Alright, so before I dive right into this bag and show you guys all the different features and what I have packed up inside, I want to let you know that today's video is a team up with my good friend Nicole, who is Hello Happy Mom, here on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on all the things. I will have her links down below so that whenever you're done watching this video, you can head on over to her channel and see how she has this same Vida Tote all packed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so it's focusing just on the bags, show you guys a really quick comparison of this one versus the larger size Vida Tote, and then I'll get into the specific features and what I have packed inside. Okay, so real quick before I get into the review on this small Vida Tote, I wanted to show you guys how both of them compared size-wise. As you can see, the large Vida Tote is a good bit bigger compared to the small one. I absolutely love both of these sizes. I know a lot of you have reached out to me asking what the size difference was, how they compare, which one should you buy for this particular need versus this need. I love having both of these sizes. I really do. I recently traveled for a family beach vacation for a week. I brought both of them. I used this a lot for like every day, kind of running around the island. And then I had the big one packed up for the beach and for traveling and all of that. So I absolutely love the way both of them pack up. This is just kind of a good quick glance at how they compare to one another. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this small one and get into the features of that one. Just so you know, when I'm going through like the pockets of the bag and the straps and things like that, the large one is exactly the same as the small one, only a bigger size. So it's going to share all of the similar features as the small one that I'm going over today. So I wasn't sure what to expect in this Vida Tote. I didn't know if I was gonna like the fact that it was made out of canvas. I wasn't sure what the quality was gonna be like compared to all of the other Dagne Dover things that I have. But let me tell you, I love this bag. If I had to pick one size over the other, I probably would go with the smaller one just because I love how functional and compact it is. It's small and it's easy to carry and it's comfortable, yet it holds a lot, or it doesn't have to if you don't want it to. So it's one of those bags that holds its structure, so it's not gonna flop and be flimsy if you don't have it packed to the max. So the different ways you can carry it, I love this feature so much. You have these long tote straps that are crazy comfortable. They do not slip off your shoulder. They're a really long, generous drop length, so it's easy to just kind of throw it on your shoulder and go. Like it's not gonna be falling off or anything like that. Also, you have these short grab handles at the top, which are so handy. I love grabbing them kind of going in and out of the car. Sometimes I'll just throw it over the crook of my arm, or I'll just carry it just simply this way, but it's nice to have both options already built into the bag. It doesn't have a crossbody option or anything like that on the side. You just have those two different ways that you can carry it. So going around on the outside of the bag, like I mentioned, it is made out of canvas. It is a thick, sturdy, awesome quality canvas bag. The inside of the pockets are almost lined with this like coating material, as well as the bottom of the bag. So it's gonna wipe off really easily if you get it dirty. I had this all day long out on a boat with us when we were on vacation recently, and it was so awesome. As you can see, it held up really well. I love the lighter color. I don't feel like it shows dirt or anything like that. I really used the heck out of this for like the past 2 weeks, and it's not showing any type of wear or signs of wear or anything like that. So moving along, I'll show you the pockets on the outside. The front is almost identical to the back of the bag, only you do have a little pocket, which I'll show you here in a minute. The pockets run kind of wrapped around the side of the bag there. You can see there's no side pockets or anything like that. They're nice, big, roomy pockets. I typically will use one for like face masks and hand sanitizing type things. So I have a couple of face masks thrown just down in there for my daughter and I. We were wearing them. I also have in here a spray hand sanitizer and then another little like gel hand sanitizer. So that's kind of what that pocket there is for. Then over here, and I think that's all, yeah. Over here in this pocket, I just have one of my Perfectly Posh hand creams. I always have one of those on me, especially with all the hand sanitizer. And then I have my sunglasses tucked down in there if I need them. And I believe that's all, yeah, that's all that's in that pocket. So as you can kind of hear, I don't know if you can really hear the difference, but I wish I can show you more of an up close, but it is, like I said, like a coated material on the inside of that. So if you have something that spills or leaks, you'll be able to wipe it off really easy. So moving on to the back of the bag here, like I mentioned, it is pretty much exactly the same as the front of the bag, only you have one additional pocket, and that's perfect for your cell phone, or if you even want to use that to kind of keep your face mask or hand sanitizer, things that you want to keep separate from the bag, that would be a good pocket for that as well. I just throw my cell phone in there. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, and as you can see, there's no trouble getting it in and out of. If you have a big cell phone, you could easily fit that inside that pocket. So that's what I have in there. Over in this pocket, kind of sticking up, I have a big package of hand sanitizing wipes. This is a full pack of wipes. I just have them tucked in there because I'm grabbing for them all the time with the kids. So that's a great little pocket to just throw them in. Then over here on this side, I have attached to the key leash that is on the very inside of this bag, my car keys. This is just a big keychain I have attached here with my house key and my car key. I have that like on the little loop here. Took that off. Then I also have tucked in there a pack of gum. And I think that's it. Yep, that's all. The main section of this bag here doesn't have any type of zipper closure. You can't connect the top with any type of a magnetic like button or anything like that. It is just an open type bucket tote style, and I absolutely love this. I know that a lot of the videos that I do that have optional zippers, but ones that you can kind of fold the flap down in, I never zip those type of bags. I just love to have my bags open. I can grab whatever I need. And it just makes it really easy to carry. So what do I have inside here? Over here I have my big Owala water bottle. This is a 32 ounce. This is a huge water bottle. I have it tucked down in this sleeve that comes in the bag. Like a lot of the other Dagne Dover totes, this is just kind of an option that you can use or not use. It is snapped in over here on the side, just like totes of the past, so you can kind of remove this sleeve or have it tucked in there if you want it. It's totally up to you. I had mine down in there because I always tend to have a water bottle with me no matter what. I also have my big planner in here. This is my Erin Condren planner. I go between this one and my simplified planners. I've been in this one a lot lately, so I have that one down in there. I also have right in front of it here a small Lily Jade packing case. You guys have seen these in so many of my videos. They're my favorite type of packing pouches right now. I've been using them pretty exclusively here for the past little while, but this is the small one. They come in a set of 3. I'll have them linked below, tons of different colors, but inside this one I just have all of my small type of essentials. Can you guys hear that thunder? I wonder if it's being picked up in my camera or not. It is like hurricaning outside my house right now, but anyways, I just have small essentials, things like tweezers and travel scissors, little hair scrunchies, Neosporin. It's like a little mini med kit for the kids and small things for me. I have my different lip products and sunscreen, essential oils, all of that kind of stuff down in this pouch, just things that I might need to grab for a nail file. It's all just tucked inside here so that I can get everything that I need really easily. Then moving on into the few pockets that are on the inside of this bag, you have one big one back here. I did grab a laptop because I wanted to show you how that fit inside. Okay, here is my iPad here. This is just a regular size iPad. It does fit down in there horizontally pretty nicely. You have a little Velcro closure right here that you can actually still close with the iPad in there, just to kind of give you an idea size-wise. A small MacBook isn't gonna fit in there, or a laptop. This is more for like an iPad sleeve or a planner. My Erin Condren fits really well down in there, and either one of my simplified planners will go well down in here. It does kind of have a tight fit, as you can see with the iPad. I'm actually not even gonna struggle with it here to get it out because it is a perfect tight fit, but it does go in there just fine. So what I had packed down inside there was a 31 pouch. I can't remember if I shared this one here on YouTube or not. I know I've shared it in detail over on TikTok and on Instagram, but basically this is just a little travel like art kit for the kids. There's a Velcro pocket right out here, and this just has a little notebook, nothing on the other side. And then when you unzip this pouch, it has tons of different little pockets, space here for all different crayons and colored pencils and all the things. Then you also have a clear front pocket here, which we have a bunch of stickers in. Then when you flip kind of that pocket over, you have another one back here, which is the perfect size for play packs. I have a big word search down in there, so it's really, really nice for like an on-the-go kind of restaurant kit or an art kit. I'll have it linked below for those of you that might be interested in something like this for your littles. But like I said, that was down in this back, like long horizontal pocket. When you flip the bag around, you have 2 more pockets and a zipper pocket on the other side. There's also a little hook here, which has the long leash attached to it that I had my keys attached to earlier. I have a hair tie attached on there. I have my lippy clip, which has my chapstick, and then I also have a portable charger. So all of that I just have attached here to the clip inside the bag. Then in this first little pocket of the 2, I just have my Dagne Dover wallet. This is my favorite wallet. It's been my favorite wallet now for a little while. I plan to do a wallet review for you guys because a lot of you have requested that, and this one will definitely be in there. So that's why I have tucked down inside that pocket there. This pocket over here, I just have a package of Clorox wipes. I have some tissues, and then I also have 2 pens and a highlighter down in there. Inside this long zipper pocket here, I have my earbuds right in this case here, and then I also have the charger for them, and I have a big charging block here for all the chargers. So kind of like a little electronic pocket, if you will. So that's everything I have inside here. I would also like to note that this like flap of a pocket is detached from the inside of the bag, just like this one. So it's nice and loose, really, really easy to pack. I love this bag. I think it's awesome. I really like the large one as well, and I plan to do a review on that one. And then like I said, if you guys want to see more of like a detail like comparison of the 2, let me know for sure. But for now, that is the small Vida Tote. Make sure to head over to Nicole's channel also to see how she has hers packed up for everyday use. She has kids that are a little bit younger than mine, so it'll definitely look a bit different. So thanks for watching. I will have links to everything that I can find down below for you all. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Have a great day.